welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing awesome today. So in today's video, we have a very first for my channel, and today we are doing my first ever DOLLSKILL shoe unboxing. I have always loved and stalked DOLLSKILL. I've always loved their shoes and they just look super cool to me, and I was like, one day, once I find a pair of shoes that I just cannot resist, I'm going to buy them and I'm going to show them on my channel. So that's what we're doing today. Now, this video is not sponsored by DOLLSKILL. I did buy these shoes with my own money, but we do have a sponsor for today's video, and that is, of course, the lovely and amazing Dossier Perfumes. So really quickly, if you guys do not know who Dossier Perfumes are, I'm going to tell you all about them right now because you need to know about this. Dossier is an online perfume company where they make designer-inspired fragrances at a more than fair price. They have everything ranging from Tom Ford, Chanel, Dior, Dolce & Gabbana. They have the alien and angel inspired scents on there. Like, they have scents for everybody, men, women, unisex, everything in between that. And all of their inspired scents smell exactly like the real thing. But the big difference is, and the best part, is you're not paying the massive department store price tag. So how it works is you go on Dossier and you order your scent, and it comes in this little box right here, really cute, compact, and easy. And when you open it up, you get a little card that tells you all about the scent that you got. And it also comes with a full 50 milliliter bottle of perfume. Here is what the bottles look like. They're really cute, really minimalistic, and these last so long because all of their scents are so incredibly pigmented. I am someone who wears perfume morning, noon, and night, and every time I wear a Dossier scent, I'm always getting compliments. People always tell me I smell nice, what am I wearing? And it is always Dossier. Always. So the scent that I chose for myself this month is Floral Jasmine, and this is inspired by Tom Ford Jasmine Rogue Eau de Parfum. And some of the notes in this are neroli, cardamom, bergamot, pepper, jasmine, lang lang, broom flower, vanilla, clary sage. I hope I'm saying that right. So there's just so much in here, and it does have an 18% concentration. So how it works is once you get your scent in the full 50 milliliter bottle, go ahead and try it out. If you decide that you love it, that is great. Continue to use up the full 50 milliliter bottle. But if you try it out and you decide, I'm not really feeling this one, I want to try something else, head on over to their website, go to the return section, print out a shipping label, pack everything back in this little box, and send it all back for a refund, no questions asked. I have been working with Dossier, which I'm sure many of you guys know, for a really long time now, and I love what they do. I just think it's really cool that they're including people like us, all of us watching, who like to save a little bit of money but also like to smell super high end. Like, I just think it's great what they do. Their prices are super fair. They have so many different scents. Any notes that you could possibly be searching for, they have on there. This one smells so good. I think I've had this one before. I'm not 100% sure, so let's give it a little spritz. So I'm definitely getting the neroli and the jasmine definitely in this, with maybe a little bit of the bergamot. That's like the first few that I'm definitely smelling. It does smell very sophisticated. I do feel like this one would be good for like an older woman or man. It's really, really good. Like, I just feel so proper when I wear it. And what's also really cool about Dossier that I really wanted to show you guys, this is my first time getting one of these, but Dossier also has candles. Yes, you heard me, candles. So I don't know about you guys, I'm a perfume junkie, I am a candle junkie. I love everything to smell super, super good. I am a huge perfumey type person. And I saw that they had candles, which I thought was super cool. So I asked if I could try one to show you guys in case maybe you guys want to try a candle instead of a perfume. Now, they only have a couple candles on there, but oh my gosh, they're so cool. So the candle that I got is inspired by the Le Labo's Rose 31 perfume. And when you go on their website, their candles look really, really small, but oh my God, they're huge. So here is what the Dossier candles look like. They come just like this, and you take this little top off right here, and here are what their candles look like. Again, super, super minimalistic, really, really nice. It has 2 wicks right here, and it does come in a sturdy glass container, which is really nice. You guys, this candle smells so good. So, so good. And on the bottom, this is a soy and coconut blend. If you guys want to get a perfume and a candle, or if you just want to get a perfume or just a candle, they have it on there for you guys. And Dossier also has a really cool payment option where at the end of checkout, if you hit catch, you will receive a $10 sign-on bonus and 10% off all future orders. I will have all the information and the links down in the description box. Thank you so, so much to Dossier for sponsoring this video and for continuing to work with me. I love and appreciate you guys so, so much. Thank you for always having me smell super good, and now my house is going to smell super good as well. So make sure you go down, hit the link in the description box, and go on and find your new favorite scent. And now, let's get back into the video. Oh my gosh, I literally got the package yesterday, so I am through the moon, so excited to be filming this. So I was just scrolling. I scroll every once in a while on the website. I just did my taxes. I got a little bit of a refund, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go see what DOLLSKILL has going on. And this was around St. Patrick's Day, so they were having like sales on top of sales. And as I was scrolling, I saw these pair of boots. And I went, scrolled back up, clicked on them, and I was like, oh my gosh, those are freaking gorgeous. And then I saw they were on sale, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's a good price. And then I saw that they had a size that would fit me, and I was like, it's meant to be. So I quickly added it to my cart, typed in all my stuff, ordered them, and they are finally here. So I am someone, I don't go places very often. I'm very much a homebody. So did I need to get these boots? Absolutely not. Like, I did not need these boots at all. I don't go anywhere, but I had to have them. I'm going to cut open the packaging right here, and I will go ahead and try them on and show you guys what they look like on. Also, I just want to double check with you guys. So lately, a lot of people have been telling me that my videos have been really quiet. Is that better now? Like, can you hear me okay? Is the audio okay? I'm going to slide the box out. So here is the box out of the packaging. Here is what the front of it looks like. It does look like we have some damage right here, so hopefully it didn't like affect the boots or anything. Straight up sounds like a bass guitar. These are very, very large boots. I did get these in a size 5, which is the smallest size that they carry, which is really unfortunate because I am a very petite, very small human. Like, I think if some of you guys saw me in person, you would actually be quite alarmed at how short I actually am. I am only 4'6", and everything on my body is quite small, including my feet. And size 5 is the smallest that they carry, and that's what I have to get. So they sometimes are a little big, but I just like triple up on socks. So I did get them in a size 5, and I paid a total with shipping and taxes and everything. I paid a total of $84.73. And I did get the Current Mood Trader Boots US size 5 black. So that's kind of like the little information right there. Look at that. Oh, the tissue paper is so cute. I can honestly see some of these being like tattoos that I would get. Like, these are really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna just take them out. They are individually wrapped right here, so I'm just gonna take, oh, bitch. So I'm just gonna take them out one at a time, and we will unbag them together. Okay, guys, so here are the boots. Here they are. Oh my gosh. So if you guys have been like an OOG follower of mine, then you would know like 13 or something years ago, I had a pair of like my very first ever Demonia boots from Hot Topic, and I was obsessed with those. Ever since then, I have always been like a platform boot, Demonia style boot fan for a very long time. They are some of my favorite boots to wear. So if you know me, then you know these are right up my alley. So let's go ahead and unbag the first one. Are you guys ready? Oh my god! Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh my god, they feel really nice. Oh my gosh. So here is the first boot. You guys, can we just please take a minute? Oh my god, I love them. Okay, so that's the first boot, and we have the second boot right over here. Here we go. Ta-da! Boom, baby. We got boot 1 and boot 2 right here. And of course, I obviously got the color black because black is my favorite color, in case you can't tell. A 6-inch back platform and like a 4-inch front one. So these are very, very tall. I have been wearing boots like this for like since high school. So I know how to walk in these pretty well, but these are pretty tall. Like these are pretty epic. Here is what the tread looks like, the bottom of them right here. Just your standard, you know, boot tread, not too bad. And then it has the zipper right down here and the little buckle right here as well. A concert or like a festival of some sort, you bet your ass these are coming with me, because yes, these are 100% happening. So I did just undo the little buckle right here, and I'm just going to unzip them. Okay, and we have all the little stuffings inside. Hopefully these can stand the test of time, because I will wear these forever if they, you know, last forever. It feels really soft. Yeah, I don't think it's real leather, but they're absolutely gorgeous. They're like this beautiful matte black, and everything, literally everything on them is all black. That's why I chose these ones. Some of them had like the chrome or the gold or the shiny patent leather, and I didn't like that. I wanted something that was gonna be a creepy, dark, tall, platformy, but all black, and these ones definitely delivered on that. Like literally everything is black on these, which I absolutely love. So I guess the only thing left to do is to try these babies on and let you guys see what they look like on. So let's go ahead and try these on. Right, so we are downstairs in my living room just because there's more room down here, but let's go ahead and put these on. Sorry if my dogs are running rampant. So I'm just gonna undo the buckle and unzip them, and we're gonna put the first foot in. Ooh, they actually feel really nice. Like they feel like they're nice and snug, so that's good. Zip those babies up and turn this way so you guys can see the buckle. I'm just gonna buckle. Ooh, yeah, they feel really nice and secure. I was surprised. I thought they would be like a little big, but not too bad. All right, let's do the other one.
So now we just have the buckle right here.
And just gonna pop these on. All right, guys, they are on and they look absolutely gorgeous. I'm surprised at how good they fit. Like I thought they were gonna feel way bigger, but they actually feel really nice. So let's go ahead and stand up. Oh, goodness. Oh my gosh. So here are what the boots look like on. Oh my gosh, they are absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at these. Ooh. Yes, honey. So here's what they look like from the front. Here's what they look like from the sides, right here. And what they look like on the back. I feel really tall, okay? Like, I'm at least 5'4". These are giving me a lot of good height, so these would be really good like concert shoes because I would be able to see everything. And here's what they look like from the front as I look down at them. So yeah, really, really cool, really comfortable, really nice, easy to walk in. I feel like the only thing I would do though is if I were to wear these like out, I might wear socks that are a little bit taller. Because I feel like this part right here may rub a little bit, but other than that, like my feet inside the actual boot feels really good. Do like a little graveyard girl moment. There they are. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with them. I'm so obsessed with them. What do you guys think? 2 thumbs up for me. Hey guys, and there you have it. My first ever DOLLSKILL shoe unboxing. What do you guys think? And really quickly, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys, all of my viewers, my supporters, my subscribers, because if I didn't have you guys watching my videos, then I wouldn't be doing this. I wouldn't be able to do taxes and get a tax refund to be able to buy things like this. So technically, you guys got me these boots. So thank you so much for continuing to support me and watch my videos. You guys mean the absolute world to me, and I'm really, really excited about them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave all your thoughts, comments, opinions down below. If you guys enjoyed this video and you're a fan of the new boots, give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you join the family. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.